Huawei Precision Air Conditioner Introduction. Air conditioner terms. This section will introduce terms related to air conditioners. The first is cooling capacity. This means the amount of heat absorbed by the refrigerant on the low-pressure side in the evaporator in a unit of time when the air conditioner is refrigerating. The common unit is watts or kilocal per hour. W means joule per second. For the air conditioner, this is a measurement of how many joules per second it can absorb. Meanwhile, kilocal per hour is a unit usually used in a boiler of heating system and boiler. We can see 1 cal equals 4.184 joules. So we can figure out 1 kilowatt equals 860 kilocalories per hour. Consumed power means the total power consumed when an air conditioner is refrigerating. This power usage includes the electric heater, fans, and humidifier. The next is Energy Efficiency Ratio, EER. It's the ratio of cooling capacity to input power under specific conditions when an air conditioner is refrigerating. We've mentioned coefficient of performance, COP, before. COP is used for heating, which means that the coefficient of performance is used when an air conditioner is being used as heating in the winter. Refrigeration ton also refers to cooling capacity. There is the US refrigeration ton and Japanese refrigerant ton. The US refrigeration ton is more popular than the Japanese refrigerant ton. 1 US refrigeration ton equals 3,024 kilocal per hour equals 3.517 kilowatts. A refrigerant ton is usually used for water chillers. We've already introduced sensible heat, but we can review the detailed definition now. Sensible heat ratio equals sensible heat divided by total heat equals sensible heat divided by sensible heat plus latent heat. Here is an example of latent heat. 335 joule of energy is absorbed when 0 degrees Celsius ice melts into 0 degrees Celsius water. The temperature has not changed, but the state has. For sensible heat, 4.186 joules of energy is absorbed when 0 degrees Celsius water is heated and becomes 1 degree Celsius water. The temperature is changed, but the state is not changed. We have various kinds of latent heat in the data center, including the latent heat of vaporization and of liquid. Next is refrigerant. Some common refrigerants are R22, R407C, and R410A. We should use an environmentally friendly refrigerant. R22 is known to create a greenhouse gas effect, damaging the ozone layer. Therefore, Huawei air conditioners use R410A. Circulated air volume is very easy to understand. It is the air volume sent to the enclosed space, room, or area under rated refrigerating conditions. The unit is cubic meters per hour. For a single air conditioner, the greater the air volume is, the faster the airspeed is. In a room, the airspeed has a huge effect on human comfort. The proper airspeed for humans is about 0.4 meters per second. If the airspeed is too fast, we will be uncomfortable. Yet, in a data center, the volume of air is very large, so the airspeed is very fast. and that's what we need. Air, at high speed, can travel very fast, which helps to regulate and maintain the atmosphere in the data center. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.